When Toyota is designing their vehicles, safety is always at the top of the list. That's why Toyota has the latest in safe driving technology, the Safety Sense system. Toyota mechanics have been working hard to perfect this system for years, and it just keeps getting better. Today, Toyota of North Charlotte is going to shine the spotlight on this state-of-the-art system and give you the details on all of the benefits that come with it. So when you get behind the wheel of one of our Safety Sense models, you'll know exactly how it works. Feature number 1, Lane Departure Alert. Each time you exceed a speed of 32 miles per hour on a road with clear lane distinction, this component of Toyota Safety Sense is activated. It helps you up your driving safety by alerting you if your vehicle begins to veer into a neighboring lane. The alert will come to you through visual and audible cues. This is Toyota's way of combating the distracted driver that comes out in all of us from time to time. Feature number 2, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control. We're all guilty of tailgating other drivers when we're in a rush, but just because we all do it doesn't mean it's safe. That's why Toyota Safety Sense engineers created this component. Dynamic Radar Cruise Control sets your car's cruise control speed based on the distance between you and the car ahead of you. It determines this distance through an in-vehicle camera and grille-mounted radar. It's also perfect for repetitive tailgaters since DRCC will alert you and decrease your speed when it senses an unsafe distance between you and surrounding vehicles. Feature number 3, Automatic High Beams. The Toyota Safety Sense high beams work off an interior camera and are activated at speeds of 25 miles per hour and above. These beams switch between high and low settings depending on how bright oncoming cars' lights are. The goal is to ensure your car is always lit for optimal visibility for you and others on the road. Feature number 4, Precollision System. This component of Toyota Safety Sense utilizes an integrated camera, laser, and radar to detect when you're approaching another car. PCS sends visual and aural alerts when it senses that you're driving too close to another vehicle and are at risk of a frontal collision. If necessary, the system can apply brake force in order to avoid potential collisions and minimize damages. And with the pre-collision system, drivers can also choose to add the pedestrian detection bonus feature. The addition works off an interior camera and uses radar detection to identify people, cars, objects, and other obstructions in front of the vehicle. When the system detects a possible obstruction, it will apply additional brake force to help you avoid a collision. Needless to say, Toyota Safety Sense is an unbeatable system when it comes to driving safety. You can experience all of these innovative features in your favorite Toyota models, such as the Highlander, Tacoma, Camry, and more. Don't miss your shot to get behind the wheel of the car you've always dreamed of with the safety features of tomorrow. Schedule your test drive at Toyota of North Charlotte today. See you soon!